Tonight's top story, dangerous flooding has killed at least 5 people in San Antonio.
They were swept away in their vehicles near Perrin Bidle and Austin Highway. Among the dead, 2 men and 2 women. For several hours, San Antonio firefighters sifted through the wreckage at a creek. Fire officials say 15 vehicles were sitting in traffic when they were overtaken by rushing water. Emergency crews rescued 10 people and 2 others made it to safety. KENS 5 reporter Megan Reyna is following the story tonight. And Megan, there are families still waiting for law enforcement to find their loved ones.
Yeah, EC's Henry. According to authorities, at least 2 people are unaccounted for, but that number could be more. Right now, the search is off for tonight, but I want to give you some perspective on just how far those cars traveled to end up in the creek behind me near Perrin Bidle. You can see that, according to firefighters, those drivers were on the access road of 410 before floodwaters kept rushing through, sweeping them away. Thursday morning, several families rushing to a site of destruction, praying they wouldn't recognize a vehicle. This is the wife of Victor Macias.
I hear the car crash, and while I'm on the phone with him, and I hear water, and then he tells me that he's going underwater, and I say, call something. Why are you calling me? And he's like, well, I don't know if I don't know.
Her story is similar to Angel Richards, whose husband, Stevie Richards, was also driving on the access road of 410 near Perrin Bidle around 5 a.m. She, too, was on the phone with him in what she assumes was his last moments alive.
Lord, it's hard because he was on the phone with him. Phoned him from 5:02 until like about 5:06. He was under the water. It's off the phone and I just heard water. It happened just that fast.
At least 5 people died in the floodwaters, including a 77-year-old woman. It's unclear if all 5 were all drivers on that access road, but police believe the death toll will rise. They say at least 2 people are unaccounted for.
Something like this I've never seen in San Antonio, and for it to be like in the middle of the city, right? Like you just don't think something like this would happen.
But there are survivors. Carlos Quintanilla says he managed to escape his vehicle and swim to a tree.
Is there a point where you thought you may not make it?
Yeah, for sure. Super blessed. That's all I attribute it to.
Yeah, and as of tonight, the medical examiner has not released any of the identities of the victims. Police are still urging people who may think they have loved ones that were swept away by the floodwaters to come forward and give them a call. We have that number on our website, KENS5.com. Reporting live, Megan Reyna, KENS 5.
Your heart just breaks for those families. Megan, thank you.